guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Okay, so in today's video we are going to trade, okay, using two indicators, okay, just two. All right, so stay with me to the end of this video as we are going to trade as we go. All right, so if you are here to register on Pocketoption, the registration link is in the description box. Okay, so these are the two indicators that we are using, okay, the MACD and the Williams percentage. Okay, so you click on this. The two highlighted indicators are the ones we are using. Okay, so after you select it, you come down and click here, then you make sure the period is on 11. Okay, once you input 11, the styles, make sure you turn everything into what, 2 pixel. Okay, 2 pixel. Okay, so you click, you go to the next one again, make sure you put it on 2 pixel, and the last one 2 pixel as well. Okay, so once you are done, click save. So once you save, you come down again to MACD, you click on the pen icon. All right, make sure the first period is on 11. Okay, the slow period 12, while the signal period 8. Okay, then go to styles, make sure you change the line to 2 pixel. All right, maintain the colors. Okay, and the signal too, make it 2 pixel. Okay, then once you are done, you click on save. All right, and the next thing to consider is the candle. Okay, we use Heikin Hashi chart type, and we trade on 1 minute time frame. Okay, so make sure you switch on all these settings, okay, to enable auto scroll when you are trading. All right, so once you are done, click outside. Okay, then remember we are trading on 2 minutes. All right, so 2 minutes period is good enough for us to pull out from our trading successfully. Okay, so make sure you trade the amount that you are ready to lose. Okay, and let's see, the next thing is to select your currency pairs. Okay, you browse through the currencies. Okay, those that are highlighted, okay, those are the ones appearing on the menu, okay, on top of the menu. All right, so look at them over there. So you select your currency pairs. Okay, and once you've done that, please make sure you don't include OTC. All right, don't include OTC pairs. They are not good for you. All right, because this OTC have been controlled by the brokers themselves. Okay, but the normal currency pairs is being controlled. No one control it. Okay, it's being controlled by the market. Okay, so do well to select only the normal currency pairs. Okay, that is what you're going to do. So once you are done, it's time to analyze the market, okay, and start trading. So let's analyze. Okay, all right, a good moment here, though is risky, but I've seen an opportunity here for me to take a first trade. Okay, so when is the best time to take? I'm going to tell you. Okay, so but this one I've analyzed it on my own, I see. So you as a beginner, I want to show you the best way to analyze perfectly. Okay, so let's keep on analyzing. All right, and wait for these trades to enter. As you can see, it's already rolling. As it's rolling, you are checking some possible trades that you will fall back to. Okay, If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, okay? Hit the notification bell and make sure you give me a thumbs up, okay? Comment in the comment section the next video you want me to talk about, okay? Any video, any platform that you want me to review, I will try it and review it on your behalf, okay? So feel free to comment in the comment section, and you can join my new Telegram group. All right, the link still all in the description box, okay? So as you can see, we are trading on 2 minutes period, so we have to wait for this 2 minutes, okay, to elapse. Okay, so the trade is almost going. You can see it is already on green. Okay, it's already on green. It's about to close. Yes, it closed in profit. Okay, so there are basic things you need to consider, okay, before taking a trade. Okay, is when the MACD lines intersect while the Williams line, okay, pointed up. Okay, so this is the right time for you to buy. Okay, this is the right time for you to buy, or you trade higher. All right, so we are still analyzing the market. Good, a good moment here to buy. So as you can see, I'm very sure that this market is going up because the MACD lines have intersect, and it has given me 3 assurance bar. Okay, then the Williams line is showing that the market, the trend is going up. Okay, so that is why I buy at this moment. Okay, so we have 2 minutes to wait, okay, for this trade to finish, and let's wait and see. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell. All right, I want to use this moment to say happy independence to Nigeria at 62. All right, so let's work hard to make our country great. Okay, if you are yet to register, please, this registration link is in the description box. Okay, register today, verify your account and deposit, okay, and apply these settings and start trading. Before you trade with your real account, please practice with demo. Okay, you'll be given $5,000 in your demo account to practice. So once you practice and you are sure of your ability, then you can trade with your real account. Okay, you can just click on the real. Good, you can just click on the real icon on your balance. It will show you the options to switch back to demo and real. Okay, so the trade is almost closing. Yeah, it's closed in profit. Yes, good. As you can see, our trades close in what? In profit. So let's analyze the market again. Okay, yes, another opportunity to buy. Okay, generally today's market is an uptrend. Okay, as you can see, there is a cross, okay, intersection, and about 3 charts have come up, and the Williams line is showing that the trend is going up as well. Okay, after a long drop. Okay, after a long drop in the market, the market decided to go up. Okay, so this is where our opportunity lies. Okay, remember to make sure these 2 lines are in this position before you take a buy trade. Okay, the 2 lines of MACD are under the chart, the red and green chart. Okay, then the Williams, okay, line is showing up. Okay, that is when you take a buy trade. Okay, so but if you are taking a low trade, that is to sell, is the opposite of this chart you are seeing, is the opposite. Okay, so the MACD lines, okay, must be above the chart. Okay, these two lines must be above the chart and intersect, and their direction must be showing low, all right, showing down. And the same thing with the Williams. Okay, it should be facing down as well. Okay, and make sure that the line is above or close to this green line. All right, so make sure these two lines are always working together, and above sorry, and under this, okay, under the chart. Okay, good. Our trades have entered successfully, and make sure they are working together. These are the two basic things that you need to consider. All right, so let's analyze again. All right, let's analyze. Okay, without even going far from the last trade, as you can see, there is a potential market here. The trend is going up. All right, there is a change here. As you can see, the candles, they are thick, so it's a sure way for us to enter this trade. All right, and you can see once we enter this trade, is running. So make sure this, you see the spike here, a sharp trend that is going up. Okay, and the intersection is just right after, just two candles after. Okay, after the movement. Okay, so you see the market is going up from here. All right, so these are the things you need to consider. As you can see from here, okay, the cross section is here and the trend has gone down right from that moment up to here. So here the market is going back. Okay, so you can still analyze other market to see if you can enter. You can enter double trade, as many as you can. Okay, once you see uh, the right opportunity, you can just jump in. Okay, make sure the two lines intersect. Okay, like the downtrend, this is perfect example of a downtrend. Okay, so if your trades are, if your lines are in this position, you can enter a down trend. Okay, so basically I'm thinking that this will be the last trade that we will take, but yeah, this is an example of a downtrend. So if you see a position like this, you can take the lower, you can sell. Okay, you can sell because the market is going down. Look at the candles, they are thick. All right, they are thick. So if we have entered this, it could have entered successfully. All right, so this will be the end. All right, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell, and let's see our last trades. Good, successful, and this will be the end of our trade today. Bye for now.